Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a sausage casserole sausage stew with these chicken sausages I found like at the bargain. €1.74 for each pack. I'm going to use both packs of sausages and make a big stew which we'll have for dinner tonight and then have leftovers for days. So we've got the sausages there. I'm using some leeks, but you could use onion, garlic, whatever you like instead. I'm just popping broccoli into mine, but you could use mushrooms, cauliflower, really any vegetables you like. If you're not low carb keto, you can even throw in some potatoes, carrots, whatever you like. And I've got this jar of tomato pasta sauce that I'm going to use as a flavor and a sauce to bring it all together. So we're going to start by cooking up our leeks and getting them softened. Now I've chopped the leek up into little pieces and I've got butter melting, and I'm just going to cook it until it softens over medium heat. While the leek is softening, I'm going to season my sausages. Now you could leave them whole if you want, but I like to cut them up into little bite-sized pieces, so the whole stew casserole you can eat in a bowl with a spoon or a fork and don't need to chop them up then. So I'm going to chop up all my sausages and add them in with the leeks and give them a good toss around until they're all browned. While the sausage is browning, I'm just chopped up my broccoli into little florets, and now the sausages are nicely browned, we're going to add in the broccoli. And we'll give it all a toss through and then pour over our sauce. We'll just pour the sauce over and mix everything all through together, and you might need to add a little bit of water to just cover it up. And we'll just reduce the heat to a simmer and let it simmer away for about 15-20 minutes until the vegetables are cooked through and sausages too. It's been simmering away nicely, vegetables are softening, and sausages I reckon are cooked through. I'm just going to let it simmer away another 5-10 minutes to just let that sauce thicken. Now you could also actually pour it all out into a dish and pop it into the oven and cook it until it's baked, and you could pop cheese on top and then you've got a cheesy bake, or you can just pop it into a bowl and top it with cheese. I'm happy with how it is. The sauce is nice and thickened, everything is cooked through, so we're going to take it off the heat. It's just cooling down and we'll serve it out into bowls. And that is a wonderfully lovely hearty meal that's cheap, that's easy to prepare, and you can adapt it to whatever ingredients you like. But sausages, as you saw, are quite budget friendly, and it's just another dish that hopefully your family will enjoy. Mine absolutely adore it. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make. And as always, the full blog post will be down below, so click through and pin, bookmark, save for whenever you want to make this easy sausage casserole. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.